All right, guys. Today's recipe. Today's recipe is grass-fed organic beef patties. So we call it hamburger steak and onions with a small twist of teriyaki, garlic, ginger in the brown gravy. So we're gonna go through all of that today. So this is just the first take, as you can see. And then I'll leave if you guys like and subscribe, whoever subscribed, leave a comment. I'm gonna link the recipe. So gonna have egg, bread, and hamburger, and then all my spices. I just started, so hang tough. This is take one. Aloha, Papa T. Getting ready for take two. Remember, my signature. 1, 2, 3. Off. And now I spicing up the burgers. So far, garlic, all organic garlic salt, regular black pepper, and some nori seaweed here. You know, we get that twist of Hawaiian style, yeah? Oh, they make the meat nice and sweet, tender. So some nori seaweed. And you massage them in. And then we're using the organic extra virgin olive oil.
Can you massage my neck for 5 minutes? Because I think I heard it.
Well, I'm cooking right now. And then in the pot they go. That's take 3. Coming back for take 4, guys. Show you the finished product and teriyaki brown gravy with the onions and the burgers. Good stuff, man. Guys, these are the 3/4, almost finished cooked. So what I did was take out all the grease, wash the pan. Now I'm gonna let this simmer, okay? Then we're gonna add in our teriyaki gravy, but I got the onions cooking on the side.
Look at those veins.
And then the onions gonna be with the burgers. This is organic, grass-fed teriyaki hamburger steak. Delicious. So that's take 3, right? Or take 4? Take 3. Okay. And then this is see how I get 2 of them going. One on this side, one on that side. This is how I wash.
More action.
What we do is we grab the pan. Gotta get, even though it's good olive oil, even though it's good olive oil, I still
Gotta drain that pan, baby.
yeah, drain it because you like the thing taste clean. You don't like taste too much grease, yeah? So just do this. Yeah. Then what we do is we run lukewarm water on the pan, okay? Big coat. And you grab the patties. Put the patties on the side so you can clean the pan again. Okay? You gotta do this, otherwise you're not gonna have that nice clean hamburger pure steak. Gonna have that little bit too much of a wild taste, yeah?
Get that shit off of it.
Hey, you clean them with soap, like you washing dishes.
Okay.
Okay.
Got.
I got the onions half cooked, nice and soft, not too crispy yet, because these onions are going into our teriyaki hamburger steak. Look how beautiful that is. That one pack would feed a family of 6, easy. You did everything in about an hour, yeah? An hour? Just let it churn on the top a little bit. Cover that back up. Shake. Put them on low, and 1, 2, 3. All right? That's our teriyaki steak. Hamburger teriyaki steak. And we're gonna make one more take on it with the rice and our vegetables and how it looks on the plate. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
And there we have it. Teriyaki steak, hamburger steak. Teriyaki hamburger steak. Look how beautiful that is. 1 hour and 15 minutes, gang. I want to ask you guys to help out the channel if you can and like and subscribe. And have a great week coming up, and we'll be posting on our next meal. And we have a surprise for you too next week. We're gonna be out on a picnic and cooking some beef ribs and Portuguese sausage on the grill. You guys take care and have a great Papa T week. And God bless. Aloha. You guys, teriyaki organic burgers, all right? See how I make all the burgers first, okay? Like this. I'll show you guys how. So I got my egg and my bread with the grass-fed organic, grass-fed beef, yeah? Straight from the local farm. We get them from here in Las Vegas. We don't play around. We don't buy nothing that doesn't say organic or stamped by, you don't want none of them preservatives because they kill you. I promise, it's getting worse. But thanks to JFK Jr., not JFK, but what's his name? Kennedy? Bobby Kennedy, Robert. He's on it, man. He's getting to the bottom of it. Why all our kids get autism and crazy mental diseases, man. And of course, the diabetes and high blood pressure pandemics. It's insane what they're doing to us. So we try our best to cook only organic for the Soul Fighter Cruise. So that one 3-pack feeds a family of 6, you know, for a day and a half or 2 days. Okay? So after this, I'm gonna come back to take 3. I'm gonna season all of the burgers, then we're gonna fry them. Fry halfway, clean them, then fry full in olive oil, okay? Then we're gonna mix in our onions and our teriyaki brown gravy. Gonna be pristine over rice and then your choice of vegetables. So thanks for tuning in and like and subscribe. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.